the next very important topic is the like sharing the data between the components. Okay, as in our real time application, okay, we will have the multiple components. Okay, so like some of them will be like nested components, like we'll have the hierarchical order, like parent component, then child component, like multiple component nested within each other. Okay, like some of the components will be like independent, like all be on the same level. Okay, so based on the hierarchical level or like nesting level, okay, we have the different approaches, okay, to share the data between the components. Okay, so let's see the first one. Like whenever we have the like parent child component type hierarchy. Okay, whenever you want to share the data from parent to child component, okay, that time we can use the concept of props. Okay, so parent can send the data to the child component as a props, and while rendering, child component can access this data and rendered on the UI. Okay, so whenever we have the parent child kind of nesting level, okay, so that time we can go with the props. Okay, this is the like a very important things. Okay, in your application we will have the multiple components, and whenever we have the parent child relationship kind of thing, that time we should use the props to share the data. Next one is like the context API. So if we have the multiple components, okay, irrespective of their nesting level, okay, so like some of the components will not be having the like parent child kind of relationship, like all are like independent component or like at the same level, or even if you want to share the data in the like parent child kind of thing, we can go with the context API. Okay, so what context API do? The context API allows you to create the shared data store. Okay, it will create the one data store where you can set the data, and that data store will have the access. Okay, so all the component can access that data store. Okay, so whenever we want to share the data, we will set or put that data into that data store, and that data store is accessible to all the component, and that data can be modified by the any component. Okay, so this is the second approach, like the context API. Irrespective of the nesting level, we can use the context API. Now the third one is like a Redux or Mobex. These are nothing but the libraries, which is like a whenever you want to for like if we have the application where we have the complex application with the advanced state management needs. Okay, so like we have the complex application where we have the complex logic and like a big data kind of thing we want to share. Okay, that time we can go with the Redux or Mobex. These are nothing but the external libraries, okay, which we have to add in our dependencies, and then we can use in our React application. So these are the three types where we can use for the sharing the data amongst the component: props, context API, Redux or mobs. Okay, let's see one by one by the practical. You are new to channel, okay, please do subscribe, like and share the video, and do not forget to click on the notification bell icon, so that whenever the new upload or new tutorial series has started, you will get the notification. So please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.